So in this video we are going to discuss one of your chemistry practical in science, right? So ये वीडियो स्पेशल होने वाला है. In this video, what is our aim? Our aim is to find the pH of the following samples. We are going to take some samples in test tube, then we find the pH of these samples, right? So with the help of pH paper we will put one by one each sample and we will find its pH value, and with the help of universal indicator we will find the different colors with different samples, right? So samples which we are going to take in this experiment, first one is HCl, which is a acid, hydrochloric acid. Second one is sodium hydroxide NaOH solution, right? Third one is ethanoic acid, whose formula is CH3COOH solution. And the fourth one is sodium bicarbonate, whose formula is NaSCO3. Now I will take all these four samples and I will put some drops of these samples from each sample onto the pH paper, right? So let's see what will happen next. Here we go. Now we have four test tubes here. As you can see, I named this test tube as 1, 2, 3 and 4. So in test tube 1 we have HCl, in test tube 2 we have sodium hydroxide, in test tube 3 we have ethanoic acid, and in test tube 4 we have NaHCO3, that is sodium bicarbonate. Now I have pH paper here, right? So this is the pH paper we are having. With the help of this glass rod, I will put some drops from test tube 1 on this pH paper. What is in the test tube 1? In test tube 1 there is some HCl, right? So let me wash this glass rod first with the water, right? Now I will take some drop from HCl and put it on the pH paper. As you can see clearly, there is a huge change in the color of the pH paper, which indicates that it is an acid. Why it is an acid? Because if we compare this color with this value, you will find it will be nearly equal to the 1 or 2 value. So when the pH value is less, then it shows that the solution has an acidic character, right? So if pH value is 1, which is true for hydrochloric acid solution, so uh, for for acidic solution you will get the pH value less than 7. We have already studied in this about this in the chapter, right? So for the HCl solution we get the pH value 1, and the color of the solution and the color of the pH paper changes into red, right? Now I am taking again a new fresh pH paper. I am washing the glass rod again. Now I will take few drops from second test tube and I will check what will be the change in the color, right? So that there you can see the difference, right? First I will drop the first I have dropped the HCl solution on pH and paper, and I will get what color? Red color, right? But on the second pH paper I have put some drops of sodium hydroxide, which is a basic solution, and I have got color which is dark purple violet color, right? So this pH value matches with the 14, right? So pH value, if pH value is increasing, if pH value is greater than 7, then it is a base, and the pH value here I am getting is about 14, so this is a strong base. So NaOH is a very strong base basically here, right? Again I am taking a new fresh pH paper and I will put some drops from the third test tube, which contains ethanoic acid. Now as the name suggests, it is an acid, so I will get the pH value less than 7, right? Let me put some drops. Okay, so here you can see there is a slight change in the color, and when you compare it with the pH paper, with the values, with the color change, you will get the value around 3 or 5. You will get the value in between 3 to 5. From that you can say that ethanoic acid has acidic character. Ethanoic acid is an acid basically, right? Also it has a pH value in between 3 to 5, and it is a moderate acid, not so strong, not so weak, right? Now the last one. Again, for the last one I am taking the new fresh pH paper. I am washing the test tube again and again. Why I am washing the test tube again and again? So that the solutions do not mix with each other. Now what is in the fourth test tube? Sodium bicarbonate, whose formula is NaHCO3. So here I am putting some drops. Again you can see the changes on the pH paper color. Now compare it with this color. NaHCO3 and NaOH both are bases, we already know, but as you can see here, we can see the dark color, right? And here we can see some light color. So for moderate base the color is light, and for strong base the color is dark, right? So you can see these are 4 pH papers with different types of solutions. They are showing different colors with different solutions, right? So by this experiment we can justify that pH paper, with the help of pH paper we can find the acidic character and basic character of a solution. Also we can tell that which solution is how much acidic. It is more acidic, it is more acidic, weak acidic, or moderate acidic, right? Or we can also find out the solution. If the solution is basic, so it is highly basic, moderate basic, or less basic, right? So as we can see in our practical, we have taken just 4 samples, and with the help of pH paper, with the help of color changing property of pH paper, we just find that which one is highly acidic, which one is moderate acidic. Also we have find that which one is highly basic and which one is moderate basic. So with the help of this experiment you can now understand that with the help of pH paper we can find the acidic and basic behavior of any solution, right? So I hope you will like the video. Thank you very much. Have a great day. In next video we will meet with some more experiment. Have a nice day, guys.